Good morning, each and every one of you. Happy Friday to you all. Today is the 24th of April. Welcome to it. My good things for today are, it is Friday, we're starting a weekend, and cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls are my good thing. Also, we have a birthday to celebrate today. Hannah Cow, happy birthday. This is your birthday song. It isn't very long. Hey! So happy birthday to you, Hannah. Other good things for you guys are free time, FaceTime, cats, paper, building forts, swimming, new bikes, Panda Express, waffles, pudding, brownies, Chick-fil-A, cookies, and iced coffee. So, this will be a short video for today because it's Friday, and I'm sure you guys are sick of working, and I'm eager to start the weekend. And so here we go. Attendance, good things are done. Please make sure you fill out the attendance form for today. I would like you to turn in your reading logs today. So, how we are going to do this is very simple. I'll make an assignment in Google Classroom called Reading Logs. You will take a picture of your final page of your reading log, which should be entry number 35, and in the reading log, you're going to give yourself a score. The logs are worth 16 points. If you've done every entry between number 50 and 66, you're going to put a big 16 out of 16 right there in the reading log. Make sure I can see it in the photo and send that photo to me. If you have only done 10 of the 16 entries, you'll score 10 out of 16 and put that there. I'm relying on your honesty. Also, 20% time if you're doing a 20% time project. Awesome. Keep working on that. And that is all I have for today. So please stay happy and healthy. Please do something kind of outdoors and healthy today. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.